So you'll be a niche environment near Mahodia as a green leaf background here. And as a near ma a year in Raniema. And a Biama TV and also your day. What tash and Tibomode Sobako YouTube. Now qua Biama TV or videos be broha or share when you bet you. Do her video no Bomodia subscriber Eddie Amaye. Says a bunch of Biasina meet me Jane. No more Fua, Munim Banchigiano. And was Mohuni ran a senate here.
This is cassava plants. Cassava plants. So you are looking at the tree. Cassava is one of the popular plants in Ghana. And we use cassava to do a lot of things in Ghana. You know popular Ghanaian food? Fufu. Yes. Fufu. Cassava is a tuber plant. So it means the cassava is in the soil. Okay. This is not a mature, it has not been matured yet. Okay. And one thing about cassava, you know, we get even gari from cassava. We get cassava dough from cassava. And even the leaves that you are seeing, you can use the leaves as a vegetable. Okay, like the way we use contomere, you can use cassava leaves to also prepare your stew. Okay, either local stew